Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI and how it can transform your business. We're talking about 10 powerful applications, from creating killer content to understanding your customers like never before. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, these AI tools can save you time and boost your productivity. So buckle up because things are about to get seriously efficient. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about content. AI writing tools can be your new creative partners, helping you identify trending topics and generate drafts. Imagine running a fitness brand and having AI generate a blog post on home workouts. Of course, you'll want to edit it, but it's a massive time saver. It's like magic, but it's also just really smart technology. Next, we're moving on to copywriting, the art of writing words that sell. AI tools can help you analyze your target market and craft laser-focused ad copy. Imagine running an online jewelry store and using AI to generate ad copy for a new line of earrings. AI can also help you write engaging and persuasive product descriptions. Highlight key features and use sensory language for better SEO. In the world of content, visuals are king. AI image generation tools allow you to create high-quality, unique images in seconds. Choose a tool, decide on the image type, and input a few keywords. Imagine a tech brand using AI to create a futuristic background for an Instagram post. The AI does the rest, generating multiple options for you to choose from. Chapter 4: Creating AI-enhanced video content. AI offers intuitive tools for video creation, from generating scripts to editing footage. Imagine a skincare company using AI to create a 30-second product demo video. The AI can handle the voiceover, making the process smoother than ever. AI video creation tools can help you bring your vision to life. Chapter 5: Voiceover work using AI, finding your brand's voice. AI voice generation tools offer a simple and cost-effective solution. Choose a tool, upload your script, and preview different voices. Imagine creating educational videos with a friendly and approachable AI-generated voice. These tools use advanced algorithms to create realistic human-sounding voices. Chapter 6: AI-driven data analysis, unlocking customer insights. AI-driven data analysis tools can help you unlock valuable insights from your business data. Input your data into an AI tool to find correlations, patterns, and anomalies. Imagine a coffee shop using AI to analyze sales data and uncover trends. These insights can help you make informed decisions about your business. Chapter 7: Resume and cover letter creation, putting your best foot forward. AI can streamline the process of creating professional and compelling documents. Choose an AI resume and cover letter builder and input your client's information. AI can tailor resumes and cover letters to specific job descriptions. This can significantly increase their chances of getting noticed in a competitive job market. Chapter 8: AI chatbot, development for small businesses. AI chatbots can handle hundreds of inquiries at once, offering 24/7 customer service. Identify common customer questions and input them into a chatbot platform. Imagine an online bookstore using a chatbot to answer questions about book availability. These platforms are user-friendly and don't require coding knowledge. Chapter 9: Social media management works smarter, not harder. AI social media management tools can help you streamline your efforts. Sign up for a tool that integrates with your platforms and offers features like scheduling posts and analyzing engagement. AI can suggest relevant content ideas based on trends. Imagine managing social media for a local gym and getting AI suggestions for posts. Chapter 10: Email marketing automation, personalized emails, better results. AI email marketing automation tools can help you create personalized email sequences. Set up an account with an email marketing platform and create different sequences based on triggers. Imagine a skincare brand using AI to personalize welcome emails based on skin type. AI can tailor future emails recommending specific products or offering personalized tips. Outro level up your business with AI, so there you have it. 10 powerful ways you can leverage AI to boost your business. From content creation to email marketing, these tools can save you time and help you connect with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try out.